Indoor outline lighting, in J series. It is the most cost-effective silicone strip. Includes 4 series. Side bin 0612, luminous surface 6mm, trimless with trims. Top bin 1010, luminous surface 10mm, trimless with trims. Brand new, with trims design, known as wing structure. Profile-free embedded, quite easy installation. Adopt same-sized ultra-thin end cap. Can perfectly integrate with wall and fit seamlessly at corner joint. The lighting is uniform and dot-free. It features IP65 protection, dust-proofing. Can be used in indoor humid environment. The series adopt reel-to-reel LED strips inside. Features soldering free for whole reel, less false soldering and breakage. Process upgrade comparison. In the past, silicone strips used by color extrusion consisted of milky layer and diffuse layer, and used laser printing to mark its cutting lines, which is easy to deviate, causing cutting errors. But now, silicone strips adopt tricolor extrusion, and include transparent layer giving more stable structure, more waterproofing performance and more clearer cutting lines, easy for you to cut. How to install and use. Trimless silicone strips, support surface mounting, embedding and other installation methods, matching with profiles, and clips to fix shapes. In installation process, too large or uneven grooving are possible, which further lead to gaps. In this case, a silicone strip with trims can help a lot. For it closes edges perfectly and fit with space snugly. Next, please appreciate cases.